Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe. Welcome back to class. Yes, this is our EVS class. EVS class. In previous class, we taught you my body parts and five sense organs. Yes, my dear students. Yes, and we given the worksheets also. In that, in five sense organs, if come back, how what are the senses also we explain means what are the sense organs and how it works also we explain to you. Yes, I hope you all understood the topic. Yes. Now we will come back to our new chapter 2, growing up. See here how we are growing up. Baby, then boy, then little younger, then became an adult. So now we will explain you one by one how we will growing up after our birth, how we are changing day by day. See now, this is for you. See, teacher will read for you 2 to 3 times and you have to follow with teacher, okay? What is our chapter name, my dear? Growing up. Growing up. First point, when we are born, we are very small. We are very small. A little baby is called an infant. A little baby is called an infant. A baby gradually grows up to become a child. A baby gradually grows up to become a child. A child grows into a young boy or a girl. A young boy or a young girl becomes a man or a woman. All living things around you also grow. Our body becomes weak when we grow old. Yes, my dear? Yes. See here. When we are born, we are very small. Again, a little baby is called an infant. A baby gradually grows up to become a child. A child grows into a young boy or a girl. A young boy or a young girl becomes a man or a woman. All living things around you also grow. Our body becomes weak when we grow old. See, children, in this chapter, what they are saying, when we are born, we are very small. Yes, isn't it, my dear students? When we are born, we are very, very small. Ask your parents, is it correct or no? Or you can check your photos when you born. It was very small. Okay, a baby is called an infant. Infant means when the small baby you can call as an infant. A baby gradually grows up to become a child. Then the baby will grow little, so it became child like you. Now you are a child. Yes, yes. A child grows into a young boy or a girl. When you grow after 5 to 6, 7 years, you became what? A young boy or a girl. A boy or a young girl becomes a man or a woman. Means after 10-15 years, you became a man. Yes, like your father or like your mother, you will become. Yes, yes. All living things around you also grow. All living things. Living thing means what, my dear? Which can grow, which has the life. Like example, you can take as a plants, animals. It will also will grow. Our body becomes weak when we grow old. When we become old, our body will become weak. It won't support. Now you can see your grandparents. They are strong like your parents? No. The same manner, okay? This is our chapter, but now I will explain you one point by one point with the pictures. You see now, see here, when you born, means it's not your photo. You can imagine when you small how you was. See, when we are born, we are very small. Isn't it, my dear students? Now you can see when you born how you was. You can imagine now? Yes. When you born, you are very small, very cute. See, nicely sleeping the baby. Yes, yes. Next one. See here. See here. After some days or some month, means like after 3-4 months, you became what? A little baby is called an infant. When when you born, I showed you the photo. The baby is called what? Infant. What you called? Infant. The small baby you called as a infant. You called as an infant. See now, I told you, after 2 to 3 years, you will become a baby gradually grows up to become a child. A baby gradually grows up to become a child. Yes? Yes, see? Now what happened? A child grows into a young boy or a girl. I told you, no, my dear, after 7-8 years, what you will become? You become a young boy or a girl. If you are a boy, you become a young boy. If you are a girl, you become a young girl. Now see? What happens here? A young boy or a young girl. A young boy or a young girl becomes a man or a woman. See, as I told you, when young boy or a young girl becomes a man, after 15-20 years, you will become like this. Yes or no? Means not the same faces. It will be changed, but you will become like this. Yes, I hope so. Yes, yes. A young boy or young girl becomes a man or a woman. Now, see here. Our body becomes weak when we grow old. Means what? When you become old, our body will become weak. Yes or no? See here. Old man, like your grandparents. See, they are strong like us? No, they are weak. Why? Because they grow more than us. Because they grow more than us. So, our body becomes weak when we grow old. Our body becomes weak when we grow old. When we grow old. I told you, all living things constantly grow and change. All living things constantly grow and change. Means what? You can see the plant. Means now, if you want now, you can see. You can plant one plant. See, when it was inside the earth, then it was growing little, then what, little two leaves came, then it became little bigger, then see here see it became a tree. Like that here also, when we born very small, then we became infant. Sorry, when we are small we became an infant, then became a young boy, then became a man, then became an old man. Is in that old age we became very weak. Like that, all living things constantly grow and change. Again, my dear, listen carefully. When we are born, we are a small, then we became an infant, then we became a young boy or a girl. After some years we became a man or a woman, then you became a old. Of course you grow more, then automatically we become weak. So, my dear students, this is the chapter. All living things. See here, all living things and around you also grow. Yes, that is true. Yes, the animals, if you can see, the plants or trees, you can see, it will grow. All living things only. Teacher, in my house there is a table, but it's not growing. It will not grow because it is not a living things. Understood? Clear, my dear? Only the living things around you also grow. Okay? Okay, I hope you all understand. Well, now this is the chapter 2. Growing up. From this, you have the answers with you. I will not answer you. Okay? You are the one who has to answer to me. I will ask you the questions, okay? Encircle the correct answer. Encircle the correct answer means you have to circle the correct answer. A baby gradually grows up to become a dash. Old child, old people, woman. What will become? A baby. First, what will become? Become a child. Yes, yes. You are the one who answered me. Correct? Yes. The color of old people's hair is generally, the color of old people's hair is generally black, gray, red. Which color? Answer. Who is answering me? Yes, it's a gray color. We find wrinkled skin in. Wrinkled skin means what, my dear? You can see the skin will become rough and it will become some old. Okay? Who's that? Babies or young people or old people? Answer is old people. Okay? Then, old people are very strong, very weak, both A and B. What is the answer? Very weak, very weak. All living things, dash and jans. Dash and change. All living things born, grow, die. What is the answer? Grow. Okay, this is your questions. Understood? Very good. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you. Thank you.